Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is global warming. What is global warming? What are the causes of global warming and how can we prevent from global warming? This is the today's topic. So what is global warming? When earth temperature is rising up, that change into global warming. And what are the causes of global warming? The main cause of global warming is usage of fossil fuels. What is fossil fuel? The fuel which we gain from that organism and found in the crust of earth, that is fossil fuel, which include natural gas, natural oil and coal. These all are fossil fuel. When the fossil fuel burn, it produce more and more carbon dioxide, which is harmful to living organisms. As we know that we are living in a technological era in which more and more industries are developing. Industrial sector is developing. That's why fossil fuels are using much and more that cause global warming. And due to global warming, extreme level temperature also increases, which also affect on human health and cause of many disease like cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, skin disease and cancer disease. And for 2 years we are suffering from a coronavirus pandemic. This is also effect of the global warming. Glaciers are also melting due to global warming. And the natural disasters like flooding, hurricane, tsunami and earthquake, these are also effect of global warming. As you know that natural disasters are extremely severely destroy the lives and living organism. And the main cause of global warming is deforestation. Deforestation is the cut down of a trees, which cause loss of biodiversity, increase atmospheric carbon dioxide, increase wildfire, increase flooding and bring droughts, animal death and extinction. In news, you are hearing about wildfire in Turkey, North America and last year in Australia, in which millions of animals were killed, human lives were also killed and many properties are destructed. Wildfire is that when a forest in a fire due to high temperature, that is a wildfire, or that make the soil unfertile. Due to unfertility, plants or tree never grow there, which cause drought, that is really harmful for living organisms, human and plants and animals killed due to starving. And these all cause due to global warming. As you see in the picture, the green side is a fertile, while the brown side is infertile. And another cause of global warming is pollution: water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution. Water pollution is the result of a garbage of factories that wasted in a water, that destroy marine life. As you can see in a picture, while soil pollution makes the soil infertile, and air pollution, fossil fuel is the main reason for the air pollution. How can we prevent or stop global warming? The first and main thing, use of solar energy in spite of a fossil fuel, and use LED bulb or energy saver in spite of electrical bulb. Use of less hot water, plant more and more trees, and recycle the garbage in spite of wasting them. These are the method. For these method we can prevent from global warming. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel with bell icon. Thank you for watching.